Hi folks, I will teach you Blowin' in the Wind by Bob Dylan. This is an easy lesson with some fun tricks. Let's dive in. How many roads must a man walk down before you can call him a man? How many seas must a white dove see before she sleeps in the sand? The answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. The answer is blowing in the wind. We're starting with the capo on the 2nd fret, starting with the C chord, first finger on the B string, 1st fret, 2nd finger on the D string, 2nd fret, and 3rd finger on the A string, 3rd fret. With the C chord, you're not allowed to hear the low E string, just the highest 5 strings. So that's the 1st chord, C. Then the 2nd chord is the F chord. Put your 1st finger on the B string and just mute the highest string. So you can't hear then the high E string. So you have your 1st finger on the B string, 2nd finger on the G string, 3rd finger on the D string. And you only hear the D, G and B. So that high E string is muted. So we got C, and it's easier because you only have to move those 2 fingers like that. C, and then F, and then you mute that higher string. Okay, and then we got the G chord. So put your 2nd finger on the A string, 2nd fret, your 3rd finger on the low E string, 3rd fret, and your 4th finger, your pinky, here on the high E string, 3rd fret. The G chord, you can strum all strings. So we got C, we got F, we got G. Then for the strumming part, we start with the C, and the low E, A and D, we call that the bass strings on the guitar. So with a C chord, I start with the A string, hitting the bass, the A. Let's call that the bass for now. Bass, and then we go down, so bass, down, down, up, down, like that. So we go bass, down, strum, down, up, down. Bass, down, down, up, down. Bass, down, down, up, down. And maybe you can't just exactly hit that A string. If you hit the A and the D, if you hit both strings, it's okay too. Just don't hit the low E string. Bass, down, down, up, down. Bass, down, down, up, down. Bass, down, down, up, down. So for the C chord, you play 1 measure, just bass, down, down, up, down. Then you go to the F chord, and then you hit the D string. That's the bass string on D string. So you get bass, down, down, up, down. So you got C, then F. Then you go to the G chord, then you hit the low E string. That will be your bass string. Bass, down, down, up, down. So it's all the same, just only the bass string will vary. So we got C, F, G, and a C. Now C will 2 bars. Then F, and then C 2 bars. So again, let's repeat that. I will sing on top of it so you got a little bit know how to play it in totals. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many F roads must the G man walk? C down, again C, before he can F call him C a man. Okay, that's the first line. Second line, 1 measure C, 1 measure F, 1 measure G, 2 measure C, 1 F, 2 G. Let's go. So starting on C, sorry. 1, 2. How many F, G, why does C? C again C. Before F he slips, G in descent. Again C. And then we go for the third final line of the verse. And we got one measure on C, one on F, one on G, two on C, one on F, two on C. Here we go. 1, 2, and how many F times G can C fly? Again C. For F, therefore ever C bend. Okay, let's do the entire verse now from the top. Starting on C, count on 2. 1, 2, and how F many roads G man C walk down. Before F call him C a man. C and how F many C's G why does C see you? C for F slips G in the sand. C now F many times G can C fly. Before F therefore ever C bend. Okay, let's move on to the chorus. We got one bar on F, one on G, one on C, two on F, one on C, one on G, and two on C. Let's go. Count on 2, starting on F. So the bass is on the D, on F. Low E, the G, we're starting on the low E, and for the C, we're starting on the A string. Okay, 1, 2, the answer G, my friend. C, blowin', F in the wind. The answer G is blowin', C in the wind. So in this final step, we make it a little bit more challenging, a little bit more fun. We're playing it like the F with that. We'll sing along, a little bit example. So we get, how many roads must a man walk down before you can call him a man? We'll do that one more time. How many seas must water sail before he slips in the sand? So we got that F part. So first one bar on C. So that's bass, down, down, up, down. And then we go on the F. We hit the bass on the D. And then we go down, up. Then you let go of that third finger and you put your second finger on the D string, second fret, and you do the same thing. D string, the bass string, and then down, up again. So we got first just the F, bass, down, up, then remove that third finger, put your second finger on the D string, second fret, and then bass, down, up. Then you let go of that second finger, and then again bass, down, down, up, down. Bass, down, up, bass, down, up, bass, down, down, up, down. So we have played it. How starting on the C first. How many roads must a man walk? And then you start out on C again. We skip then the G because it's in that chord already when you're playing that little thing here. So forget about the G then. So you got how many roads must a man walk? C down before and an F call him C and man. And the second for the line, how many, again F, same thing, and C. Before and an F he slips G in the sand. And we go again, C. How many F turns a cannon and C fly. Before F there forever C band. And then we go to the chorus. For the chorus we go, the answer my friend. And then it's nice to have that G chord. So we do F, and then we do bass down up. Remove the third finger, put the second finger on the D string, second fret, and again bass down up. And then we go to the G chord, and then we go bass down, down, up, down. So let me hear that from the top. The answer, my friend, is C blowing in F the wind. So that is one bar of F, and then again we go, the answer is G blowing C in the wind. Let me do that again really slow from this angle. So from the F we go, the answer, my friend, G, C blowing F in the wind. Hey, one bar of F and then that walk. The answer is G blowing C in the wind. That was my guitar lesson on Blowin' in the Wind. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or which Bob Dylan song you'd like to learn next. I'll see you in the next lesson.